Man, I just came in the shop trying to get set up and organized, but I just got a package and about to open up. Where did I put it? Hold on. Oh, here it is right here. So we're going to come back after the intro and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this package and my other personality. Hope you guys enjoy this video right after the intro. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Bates from T-Shirts Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And in this video today, I'm here to go ahead and unbox this package from my homegirl, Digg. All right, so before I jump into it, man, y'all like this shirt? I need y'all to go down in the comments below and put circle. Just put circle down there if you like this shirt. This is something that we're working on. A little acid wash, actually stone wash, not acid wash, stone wash colors that we're working on here. I got the navy blue shirt on. This is the 8001. If you haven't checked those videos out, go ahead and check them out. I got the review on the t-shirt with the 8001, and then I got the collaboration between T-Shirt Side Hustle and Circle Clothing on the 8008. Perfect short. All right, that's the perfect short. And it's unbranded. That's the name of the brand. This is where we're going to be collabing on some things that'll be more fashionable, trendy for you guys out there. A lot of colors and different things like that. We want to cover the basics. Now we can have some fun. So this is about to be an unboxing / review. So I ain't holding no punches. You dig? All right. So like I said, man, this is from Digg. All right. Let me go ahead now and change my personality. All right. So here we go. Y'all rocking with me now? All right. What's up? I'm about to open up a package. I just got a package. I was coming into the shop today, and I was getting ready to go ahead and clean up and get to work. But then the mailman came and bought me a package. You did. So let's go ahead and see what it's hitting for. I'm going to go ahead here, pop it open. Nice little sticker, custom branded poly mailer. You know what I'm saying? You did? All right. So this says, what up, Stan? Wanted to send you a couple of my Gateway Hustler tees because you are the true definitions of a gateway hustler. You dig? All right. It says, thank you for all you bring to the community. Let your haters be your motivation and keep being great. Fayel, you dig? Designs. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's take a look in here. Let's take a look in here. Nothing else in the package. So we got a nice note personalized for your boy. I don't know if you'll get that, but we'll see what happens. All right. We got the white. I'm going to open the white first because you don't really get too many wears out of the white, but we're going to see what we looking like, all right? We got it individually packaged, pretty dope. I'm not really a wristband wearer, but I could find somewhere to host this for. Put it on my mic or something. Got some stickers. Bow, sticker for me to place somewhere for myself. We got a gateway. Oh, before I jump into that, guys, this package has been around the world. It's been around the world, man. She tried to get it to me before, and the mailman didn't quite know where I was at because these addresses got split up. So it's pretty cool. All right. So it's a Gateway Hustler, which means to me, being a Gateway Hustler means, inspiring people to get out and hustle. Kind of not really. I don't want to consider myself a gatekeeper to hustling, but I want to consider myself a motivator to get you through that gate and get hustling. So that's pretty dope right there. When your hustle leads you to your next hustle. Hey, I'm the definition of that right there. I tell you that much. I went from computer repair to web design, from web design to photography, from photography to t-shirts, and I did a lot of stuff in between that. But that was kind of my matriculation into getting where I am today before even T-Shirt Side Hustle. That kind of like 5 different businesses that one led me into the next, and that's what you guys see right now. I'm a product of that. So it's pretty dope, man. If I ever had to find a shirt that meant something to me, this would definitely be it. So I can dig it. I can rock with it. We're going to have to go ahead and put this on right there. Size large. You dig? All right. What else we got? All right, Fayel Designs, custom t-shirts and more, you dig, gmail.com. We're going to have to dress her up some better cards, man. I'm digging it. And if you guys are going to send me anything, you can't go wrong with the black. Well, I like the different tie-dyes too, so let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, make something. Make something. Y'all gotta get out here and make something, man. That's the only way to get somewhere, is to get out here and do it, right? So this one says, you dig, lifestyle. And this one says, make something, you dig, designs. All right, I think she has a Facebook group. I need you all to do me a favor right now. Go down in the description. I'm gonna have links to her group. I'm gonna have links to the other videos from, well, not this shirt, the shorts from Circle Clothing. Go check that stuff out if you haven't already. Place your order, make sure you use the affiliate link. And also, I'm gonna give you a link to her YouTube channel. She has some good videos on different things and sharing her process in her own style, her own way. Pretty cool to see. And also, I think she has her own Facebook group, so I'm gonna put that down there as well. You're gonna check that out. All right, Fayel, this is out for you right here. All right, this right here, it's time to step it up. I gave the plug away. You're gonna go to gotprint.com, or you can register. You should have your stuff legitimized so you can register for Printergraph. Let's get you some business cards. Let's do them things up, man. Let's make them look real nice. You did. All right. Now I got the black version. Got the black version right here. You know what I'm saying? This is all me. Let me go ahead. Yo, you know what? Let me see. I got royal blue on, so I can't put the black. I'm going to put the white on real quick for y'all. Give me a second. Boom, 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 boom. So, all right. I got the white one on. Nice little hang tag right here. Pretty cool right there. Yo, you know what's crazy about these hang tags, guys? If you're using hang tags, it took me a little second to realize this. I probably did it twice, but you got to be very, very careful about the placement that you put these, because they will poke holes in your shirt. But it actually looks like she did a perfect job using the inside little stitch seam in the inside right there to do it. So don't poke it through the shirt. It's not going to look... Oh, snap. What's going on here? I think I got to... So y'all probably are out there laughing at me saying he got it on backwards, he got it on backwards. Now I just wanted y'all to read the front or what the back before y'all read the front, because I like the back because that's my story right there. So pretty much what I was saying pretty much here was about using this and where you place it at. Be very, very careful when you're using a hang tag gun and stuff like that, because it will poke a hole in your shirt if you just try to stick it through. And you don't want to do that to your shirt. So either use the neck label, and if you tear the neck label out, do what she did and go ahead in the inside of your shirt, right? On the inside of the seam here, where she used this down here, and poke it through this piece that's going inside the shirt. So that's something, a little tip that I got for you guys from her. I kind of don't use this. I kind of still use like this seam right here, but I don't stick it through. All right, so just keep that in mind. Nice vinyl print, looks good, feels good. When you're using these designs like this, if you don't make a big blocky design, it'll just stand out pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. And yeah, man, I appreciate you, Digg Apparel. Again, guys, go down in the description below, check out her videos, check out her Facebook group, and just hop on a bandwagon, man. Just get along with all of these people. She got some great content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to send me some apparel, I got to get a P.O. box, man. I got to get a P.O. box, and I will have that for you guys very, very soon. So this has been your boy, Stan Banks from T-Shirts, Side Hustle, unboxing, package for my girl, Fayel from your Digg Apparel. Peace. You dig?